Girl beaten by schoolmates in St. Anne recovering in hospital. Woman killed, man wounded in St. Mary gun attack. 4 men killed at cook shop in Clarendon. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The 13-year-old girl who was beaten unconscious by 6 schoolmates at Stairtown Academy in St. Anne on Monday is making progress in her recovery. The attack occurred after the student reportedly stepped on the shoes of one of the girls. She remains in hospital suffering from head injuries, but she is conscious and alert, and the facility continues to monitor her progress, said Delroy Morgan, Chief Executive Officer at St. Anne's Bay Regional Hospital. The 6 girls accused of carrying out the attack are to be questioned by the police. A woman is dead and a man admitted to hospital after gunmen attacked them Monday evening in St. Mary. It is reported that 40-year-old Kenisha Walker and her family were at home in Gully Road, Boscobel, when armed men entered the premises and fired shots, hitting Miss Walker and the man. She died on the spot, while the injured man was transported to hospital. 2 other people who were inside the house were unarmed. 4 men were shot dead at a cook shop in the wee hours of Wednesday morning in the Summerfield community of Chapelton, Clarendon. The dead men have been identified as 44-year-old Kish Brown of Summerfield, Theo Manning, Darrell Manning, and a man known as Thumper or Rasta. Reports from the police are that residents reported hearing gunfire after 1 a.m. and alerted them. When the team got to the area, the bodies of the men were found with multiple gunshot wounds. More details to come following further investigations.